Hi, this is Mary Beth, your homemaking coach, and today I want to give you tips for a sink that sparkles. I like to do this once a week. First, gather your supplies: a good quality microfiber cleaning cloth, a scrubber. I like to use the Rubbermaid Reveal scrubber, baking soda. I put mine in a Parmesan shaker, and Dawn dish soap. Any dish soap will work, but Dawn is my favorite. First, we're going to make sure our sink is empty, and then we're going to wet it down well. Go ahead, you really want that nice and wet so everything will work. Wet your microfiber cloth, squeeze it out, and put it aside. Next, turn off the water. Oh, get your scrubber wet as well. Turn off the water, add the Dawn dish soap to both sides, and then sprinkle generously with the baking soda. I like to also add the baking soda and Dawn to my scrubber before I turn it on to give it that cleaning power, and then go ahead and start scrubbing. This is really great and helpful for the faucet. Mine has a lot of crevices and little cracks in areas, so I like to go ahead and get that all nice and cleaned up, including the faucet aerator, the area where the water actually comes out. I have hard water, so this helps to keep it flowing smoothly. Go ahead and keep going until everything is scrubbed super well. Oh, I also like to scrub down near where a garbage disposal would be, near the drain. I do that as well. Hand soap dispenser and everything. Also the edges of the sink. Sometimes those are forgotten. This is a great time to go ahead and clean those up as well. And there I am getting the sink strainer all cleaned up, front and back, top and bottom, and all the cracks and crevices. Now go ahead and scrub it with your microfiber cloth that's been already dampened previously. Scrub it really well, and go ahead and wipe down the sink strainer and all of the other surfaces of your sink, including the faucet if you want to at this time. Now go ahead and rinse everything well. You really want to rinse it because the baking soda will leave a little bit of a film, so rinse everything super well. That way it will get that sparkle that you're looking for. Once everything has been thoroughly rinsed, I go ahead and take another microfiber cloth and I just dry everything up and wipe off the remaining soap. Go ahead and get the inside of your sink as well, and the faucet. And voila, a clean and sparkly sink, and it wasn't that hard at all.